Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from?
I come from England.
You come from England. Do you like Manchester United?
I don't like football.
Oh, you don't like football. I see. Why did you come here?
I came for vacation.
You came for vacation. Are you having fun?
Yes, I'm having a great time.
What do you like the best about here?
What do I like the best? Well, the people are very kind.
Yes, the people here are kind. Do you like the food?
Yes, the food is great.
Is the food too spicy for you?
No, I love spicy food. I can eat spicy food every day.
How much longer will you stay here?
I will stay 2 more days.
Oh, then you will go home?
Yes, then I will go home.
Where do you work?
I work for a big company.
What kind of company do you work for?
I work for an import company. And what about you?
I work at a bank.
Huh. Are you a bank teller?
No, I'm the owner.
Oh. Hey! How was your vacation?
It was very fun.
Huh. Where did you go?
I went to the beach.
Who did you go with?
I went with my father, mother, and older sister.
Do you have a house at the beach?
No, we stayed at a hotel.
Ah, which hotel did you stay at?
It's called the Imperial.
Have you stayed there before?
Yes, we've been going there for years.
Must be very nice.
Yes, it's very nice and not too expensive.
Did you play in the water?
Yes, I went swimming and I rode the banana boat.
How about your older sister?
She does not like the water. She likes to sit on the beach and read a book.
What do your mother and father like to do?
They like to eat in the restaurant.
How long was your vacation?
3 or 4 days.
And will you go there again next year?
Of course.
Hey, is that Bill?
Yeah,
Do you remember me from school?
I'm sorry, I don't remember you. Did we study together?
Yes, and we lived in the same dorm too.
Really? What floor did you live on?
I lived on the 9th floor. You lived on the 7th floor.
That's right. How did you know?
I would see you in the elevator sometimes.
I'm sorry, I don't remember you.
It's all right. It was several years ago.
Well, anyway, it's nice to meet you again.
Monica.
Monica Sales, right?
Yes. See? So you do remember me.
Okay. So, where do you live now?
I live in an apartment.
Oh, do you live with your parents?
No, my parents moved to the country.
Oh, they must be very happy there.
Yes, they enjoy it very much.
So, do you live alone?
No, I share the apartment with an old friend.
Really? A friend? Is he a boyfriend?
No, she's an old friend from school. We've known each other for many years. How about you, Bill? Where do you live?
Oh, I rent an apartment. I'm by myself.
Do you like it there?
Yeah, but it's kind of noisy.
Oh, maybe you should complain with your neighbors.
Oh, no. I'm the one who makes the noise.
Hey, I like your shirt.
Thanks. It's new. I got it last week.
Huh. Did you get anything else?
No, just the shirt.
Where did you get it?
I got it from the weekend market.
How much did it cost?
It cost about $12.
Really? That did not cost too much at all.
Yeah, it's a good price.
Huh. Do you like to wear hats?
Yeah, I like to wear hats, but only in the winter time, when it is cold.
Do you like to wear jewelry?
I just have this necklace that my girlfriend gave to me.
Oh. What do you think about fashion?
I think it is important to be in fashion.
Do you have a pierced ear?
No, I do not have a pierced ear.
Do you have a tattoo?
Yes, I do.
Huh, what is the tattoo of?
It's a big blue scary monster.
Huh? Really?
Yeah.
Wow, can I see it?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, here's my tattoo. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
I have one sister.
Who is older, you or your sister?
My sister is older than me.
Do you get along with your sister?
Yes, we get along okay.
How about your parents?
My father died many years ago.
I am sorry to hear about that.
My mother is fine though. She is very strong and likes to work.
What does your mother do?
She teaches at a university.
That's great. What does she teach?
She teaches psych.
Pardon me? I do not understand.
She teaches psychology.
Psychology. I understand now.
How about you? Are you married?
I'm not married yet. I had a girlfriend for many years, but we broke up.
I'm sad to hear that.
Can I return this?
What is it?
It's a shirt.
What's wrong with it?
Well, nothing's wrong with it. It just doesn't fit.
Is the color wrong?
No, the color's fine, but the size is much too small.
Do you remember when you bought it?
I didn't.
You didn't buy the shirt. Who bought it?
My friend bought it.
Do you remember when your friend bought it?
She bought it last week.
Okay, good. Do you have the receipt?
As a matter of fact, I do.
Let me have the shirt and the receipt, please. Would you like to exchange it for a larger size?
Can I get cash back instead?
No, but I can give you store credit.
What is that?
Well, the shirt was $19.99, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Well, I can give you a store coupon good for $19.99. Or you can exchange this shirt for a larger size.
Okay, I'll take the coupon.
Okay.
Thank you. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do.
Oh. What kind of pet do you have?
Can you guess?
Can I guess? Okay. Do you have a pet dog?
No, I do not have a pet dog.
Okay. You do not have a pet dog. Do you have a pet cat?
No,
I do not have a pet cat.
You do not have a pet cat. Do you have a pet fish?
No, I do not have a pet fish.
You don't have a pet fish.
You cannot guess? Do you want me to tell you?
No, wait a minute. I'm thinking. Give me one more guess.
Okay. I'll give you one more guess.
I know. You have a pet monkey.
What? A pet monkey? Why would I have a pet monkey?
Because you look like a monkey.
I don't look like a monkey. You look like a monkey.
Okay, I cannot guess. What kind of pet do you have?
I have a pet iguana.
An iguana? How unusual. Where did you get it?
From the pet shop.
How long have you had it?
About 4 years.
Wow. What is your iguana's name?
His name is Winnie.
Winnie. What does Winnie do?
Winnie doesn't do very much. He's quite lazy.
Oh. What does Winnie eat?
Winnie's a vegetarian. Winnie eats vegetables.
That's quite interesting.
What kind of foods do you like?
I like all kinds of foods.
Really? Can you eat spicy food?
I love spicy food. The hotter, the better.
You are so lucky.
Why am I lucky?
It's terrible when I eat a hot pepper.
Can you eat Thai or Mexican food?
Yes, I can, but only if it's really bland.
Do you eat out very often?
Sometimes.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
I do have a favorite vegetarian restaurant.
Are you a vegetarian?
Yes, I am.
So you don't eat chicken or pork?
No chicken, no pork, but I do eat fish.
Are you vegetarian for health reasons or religious reasons?
Mostly for health reasons.
All this talk about food has made me hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Would you like to go to my favorite vegetarian restaurant?
What is good there?
Well, of course, the fresh vegetables are outstanding.
Sounds delicious. Let's go.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have several.
Really? Please, tell me more about your hobbies.
Well, I do like to collect things.
Really? What do you like to collect?
I like to collect stamps.
Really? Where do you collect stamps from?
I collect stamps from all over the world.
Why do you do that?
Because eventually I hope to have a stamp from every country.
Why do you want all of those stamps?
I think it's because I won't be able to go to those countries myself.
Oh, what is another hobby of yours?
I collect beer.
Pardon me? You collect beer?
Well, actually I collect beer cans.
Okay. Where do you get the cans from?
From every place that I travel to.
Do you drink the beer?
Nah, I'm not a beer drinker.
Oh, I see.
What about you? What are your hobbies?
Well, I like to read a lot.
Really? What do you read about?
I like to read about bestsellers And I like to read a lot about science, too.
What kind of science do you read about?
A variety of topics, but I especially like to read about nature and about electronics.
Fascinating. Why do you like to read so much?
Well, I think it helps me exercise my brain.
Well, that's a good reason, if it doesn't make you too tired.
Now, how do you actually get these kids to come onto the site?
That's part of what's interesting. It's not a consumer model, if you will, but instead what we do is we go to the district.
I'm bored. Let's do something.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. Anything is fine.
Let's go see a movie.
No, I went to see 3 movies this week.
3? Whoa, why so many?
Because I was bored all week.
Well, you want to play some sports?
No, I don't want to play any sports.
Why not? Sports are fun.
Well, I don't want to run around and get all hot.
Yeah, it's kind of hot. How about shopping? You want to go shopping?
I like shopping, but I have to watch my money until the end of the month.
Well, we could go eat dinner.
Dinner is a good idea. Where would you like to eat?
I heard about this new Japanese restaurant down at the mall.
Huh. Is it expensive?
It's not too expensive, but it's not cheap.
Okay, well, that sounds good.
And when we're finished, we can go window shopping.
That sounds like fun.
Oh, and if we want, we can play some indoor air-conditioned sports.
Really? Which sport has air conditioning?
Bowling.
Bowling. Right. Great. Let's go.
Okay.
Hey, did you have a good weekend?
No, not really.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
During the weekend, my house was robbed.
Your house was robbed? What do you mean?
I mean, I was not there, and someone came and took everything from my house.
Someone took everything from your house? That's terrible.
Terrible. Yes, I think so.
Wow. Did they break anything?
Yes, they broke a window to get in.
Did they take your television?
Yes, they took the television.
Did they take the DVD player?
Yes, they took the DVD player.
Did they take your laptop?
Yes, they took the laptop.
Did they take your clothes?
Yes, they... No, they did not take my clothes.
Oh. That's because your clothes are old and out of fashion.
Do you really think my clothes are old-fashioned?
Yes, I do. They're very old.
Oh, this is terrible. First, my house gets robbed, and now my clothes are old-fashioned.
Did you tell the police that your house was robbed?
Yes, I told the police.
What did they say?
They didn't say much. They just took a report.